Vybz Kartel performance on the Wireless Festival in England. Got a lot of fans. Of course, them vex. And I want to tell Wireless Festival people them say, you can't bring Vybz Kartel on the festival and give him such a short time to perform, because right now him fans them vex because him fans them a vent and a quarrel say you should have give the artists more time, because then they want more of them artists. Then they want more of Vybz Kartel. And Wireless give Vybz Kartel just a little short time according to the fans them, and them vex for that. Yes, Vybz Kartel fans them vex for that. Then they want more of Vybz Kartel. Wireless, the next time you bring in an artist like Vybz Kartel on your festival, you can't give the man no 40 or no 45 minutes and a little time there. Him fans them not like it. I want need to do better. Don't make it happen again. Hear me and tell you the Wireless. Me, shocking Murray said that.